you so much for joining us here at the Harare Magistrate Court. Can you give us an update concerning Joanna Mamombe's court case?
We were advised yesterday in the afternoon by the trial prosecutor, Mr. Michael Reza, that he had requested the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services to bring Joanna Mamombe to court today for an inquiry intended to make before the court. He did not disclose to us yesterday of the nature of the inquiry, so we attended at his offices today to understand fully why that had taken place and what the intention was. He advised us that it was no longer necessary to get into court as he had ascertained or rather received information from the Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Services that Ms. Mamombe had been taken seriously ill yesterday and had been rushed on an emergency basis to a local medical facility where she now is admitted.
And what is the condition of the hospital, if you are aware?
I am not aware. It's information that I actually received from the prosecutor for the first time. So I will liaise with the prisons and ascertain what the condition is.
We will also understand that there's been a trial that has been set for Monday. If you can update us on that one.
Yes, one of the various matters for which she has been requested to stay at court is set for Monday for trial. But from our discussions with Mr. Reza, it does not appear that there will be a trial on Monday. He seemed to suggest that they will seek to have that matter postponed on Monday. We do not yet know his reasons for wanting to postpone the trial on Monday. We'll wait for him to make the application and take it from there.
In your own assessment, would we say she's ready to or fit to attend court?
I am not aware of her current medical condition, given that prisons has confirmed that they made to undergo medical examination on an emergency basis. So I cannot tell from a medical perspective, but with respect to every other aspect of the issue, she was ready for trial and was ready to go. She is eager, like all the other accused persons, to have their day in court and have their names cleared of the various spurious allegations they face. Thank you.
At Sly Media Productions, we offer live streaming services to companies willing to reach a worldwide audience. We have the capacity to live stream debates from various locations for a wide range of clients.
And our online audience, we welcome you back.
We follow them and help build Zimbabwe brand on a positive note.
On the second report on citizens' perceptions.
And for us, our interest has always been around how do we leverage technology to communicate policy, to communicate public issues.